Once we have prepared our adjusted trial balance, we can move on to preparing our income statements. And as discussed, we start with our income statement. Our income statement is going to include your revenues and expenses. And all of the information you need to prepare your income statement is available from your adjusted trial balance. So when you're preparing your financial statements, and just like when we were posting our journal entries, you are simply copying amounts to your financial statements. When we're looking at the income statement, we are going to look at the revenue and expense accounts, which are on the bottom of our adjusted trial balance. And we are simply going to pull those amounts over. So we're going to pull over service revenue of $3,500, advertising expense of $250, rent expense of $1,700, supplies expense $315, and wages expense of $750. Notice we're also going to total each of these accounts. We're going to or these account types. We're going to total our revenues and we're going to total our expenses. We're going to take our revenue, subtract out our expenses, and that gives us our net income. Or if it turns out our expenses are more than our revenue, that would be a net loss.